Yeah, DKPHG. And I didn't even write this shit. There's no ill guy, 007. He said, shit, this right here, it's like heaven and hell. But you know what I'm saying? We get this money. And I'm having, you already know what's up. Alright, let's spit this shit. Listen. Take you to the full nation, niggas, I'm steady hating. Well, you ain't got adolescent, steady weapon. All y'all niggas steady stressing. Me as the soul, our dramatic voicing. I'm here while the niggas are stressing with the full ancestor bone. As a string vibe in the boat. I'm in with the dramatic flow. So y'all niggas know I'm steady bond nature. The Cooper killer. You let that nigga go out like a sinner. I'm everything Haitian. Take y'all niggas up apart, the load, the trigger figure. Take your time, realize there's a chopper for the stress. Crave coming my way after the math. Spray the knuckles fully loaded. Matter of fact, I'm off the chopper. Hoper, I know you trapping. You now got niggas know you trap. Mad as fast aggression. The mission killer and the lakes. The traps, the trace, the trap. Got fiddle with the gun in the beat. Making noise with the chopper full screen. Cause true niggas pop up with those rolling with the front. With the Bugatti, right? Got racks. These niggas is more powerful with Illuminati stressing my killing. Pine for pine, Johnny, China white and I'm dealing the go-to. Your chamber, you know I'm back. The guap, killer ties of mafia, straight best. I'm killer swag. I'm killer swag. Yeah, can be caught as we going real legit. We locked it tight as you see the bright when you know we riding leaks like an LAX, chasing the money and check more steps. So my love is the best. We're rolling up top of the gate at the double loaded, double OG. Oh shit, best stay fresh past the Dutch. I drop my Lamborghini top, cause my boy, I'm the booze. The dog styles like I drop. Woo! Take you to the full nation, I'm about to repeat it again. See no more blowing like the winds, it's just still steady. Hate while you ain't got adolescent steady weapon, niggas steady stressing. Man of the soul, you dramatic voicing. My head while my real niggas steady stressing. My full and accessory balling as a strange vibe in my both. Him with a dramatic flow, till yeah niggas some steady bonds. And the nature of the chopper killing you like that. No, nah, rest the rest like I'm black king coming at the top. Illuminati, I tell you know the center with everything Haitian. Y'all niggas part of the end of a life. Instead of pressure, fully loaded with that black chrome weapon, aka fully loaded. That's my trigger figure. Take the release of chopper loaded stress and the creed coming with the after the math. Spread a knuckle, fully bloated. GTA, gunner off the hopper. I'm making a noise. Okay, you want that chopper full screen? Cause these true niggas, I say fuck what is going right. I like I'm hot, and you know I'm bubble. Like I'm Swisher Sweet House. Room crack, breathe, Illuminati stress me killing. Bavon China, when I'm a dealing, go to the chamber. So I'm going up GD focusing. I'm killing Bonbon, China writing, so I'm just repeating myself in with the chamber. So you're making the cold killer. Ties Mafia, straight best, I'm killer swag. Can be quoted as we kill really legit. Killer swag, killer swag. Killer swag, chorus, killer swag, killer swag, killer swag, killer swag. I got my niggas back, triple loaded with my style. Now I'm about to finish it. Now as a swag, oh shit, holding it, some real legit. While I look tight as I see the bra. When you top the gated dog, low, double OG. That stay fresh, that's the Dutch. I drop like a Lamborghini top. Cause my boy know about dog styles. That's what I drop. And I'm hot in the spot. My niggas say the spot. Illuminati, you know we hot.